Okay, let's start the next question. Our next question will be from the prescribed novel. Cousin can be taken as an important character in the novel Vendor of Sweets by R.K. Narayan. So, right. So, we are going to discuss about importance of Cousin's character, the significance of Cousin's character, right? You can start with an introduction. Right? So introductory paragraph is always subjective, right? You can include whatever the ideas that you have, but basically you have to include these things. You have to include about the writer, right? Any other books or poems written by him, right? And it is better that you can provide a small summary about the novel. Right. The question is about Cousin's character, right? The question is about Cousin's character. So this question can be taken as characterization. Right? We are going to deal with characterization, right? So Cousin can be taken as a very important character. Why? Why we say that Cousin can be taken as a very important character? Let's try to identify. Cousin can be taken as a reliable friend, right? Cousin can be taken as a reliable friend to Jagan. So Jagan used to share all the experience that he went through in his life with Cousin because he didn't have any friend. He didn't have any relative, right? Because of that reason, he had relatives, but they were they had a lot of disputes with Jagan. Because of that reason, Jagan had only one reliable friend. So in that perspective, Cousin's character is very much important. From chapter number 1 to chapter number 13, we can see the importance of Cousin's character, because in chapter number 1, we can see the novel starts with the conversation between Cousin and Jagan. The novel ends with the conversation between Jagan and Cousin. So we can clearly understand the importance of Cousin's character. Then, Cousin can be taken as an arbitrator, right? Cousin can be taken as an arbitrator, or else we can say mediator, right? Whatever the problems occurred between Jagan and Mali, Cousin came in the middle as an arbitrator, as a mediator, and he solved the problems, right? So in that perspective, Cousin's character is very much important to the plot. Right. What else? Cousin can be taken as a very good communicator, right? Cousin can be taken as a very good communicator. So as we read the novel, we can identify the communication gap actually occurred between Jagan and Mali. Whenever this communication gap occurred between Jagan and Mali, Cousin actually helped as a communicator to solve the problems, right? In that perspective, he is very important. Cousin can be taken as a very good advisor, right? When it comes to Jagan's business, when it comes to Jagan's problems with Mali, Cousin always provided practical solutions, right? In that perspective also, Cousin can be taken as a very important character. What else, right? Cousin can be taken as a social worker, right? Social worker. So people who lived in Malgudi, they always needed the support of Cousin, right? Cousin knew a lot of people. He's a very sociable character. Because of that reason, he provided some kind of a social service to people, right? They needed him. Even Jagan needed him. So because of that reason, we can say he's kind of a social worker. People who lived in Malgudi, they always needed him. Apart from that, he can be taken as a character who kept a balance between two cultures. He kept some kind of balance in between two cultures, right? When Mali is representing modern culture, when Jagan is representing traditional culture, Cousin actually maintained a balance between the two cultures. He understood the generation gap. He understood the changes which are occurring in the society in the pre-independent period and post-independent period of India. So in that perspective, you can understand he had some kind of balance in between two cultures. Because of that reason also, he's a very important character who adapted to the cultural differences, right, which occurred in India, where Mali and Jagan, they failed to do that. So when referring to all these what you call characteristics, you can clearly realize that Kasim is a very important character when it comes to the novel. As a reliable friend to Jagan, as an arbitrator, as a mediator, as a communicator, as an advisor, as a social worker, as a character who kept some kind of balance in between two cultures. So you can write all these examples, right? You can gather all these examples and you can write an answer for this type of a question. You can find number of quotations if you read the book very carefully. Hurry up and write down.